Dear student, welcome to my class of mathematics. Today we will learn how to find the cube root of the given numbers from practice set 3.3. Here I have considered a first example 8000. 8000 can be factorized as 8 multiplied by 1000. It can again be factorized as it is a cube of which number? 2 cube. Therefore 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, and 1000 is a cube of which number? 10. Therefore it can be factorized as 10 into 10 into 10. Now just look at here, 2 into 10 20, multiplied by 2 into 10 20, multiplied by 2 into 10 20. Therefore 8000 is nothing but 20 cube. Now I have to take the cube root. काय घ्यायचं आहे मला आता? क्यूब रूट घ्यायचं आहे. कोणाचं घ्यायचं आहे? 8000 विल बी इक्वल टू क्यूब रूट ऑफ which number? That is 8000 mean 20 cube. What is the meaning of this? Meaning of this is that 20 cube as it is, and cube root means 1 upon 3, and we know that 20 into 3 multiplied by 1 upon 3. 3 is the answer. You will get the value equal to how much? 20. You can directly also write down that cube root of 20 cube will be equal to 20. म्हणजे तुम्ही डायरेक्ट पण लिहू शकता. काय लिहू शकता? क्यूब रूट कोणाचा? 20 चा जर क्यूब रूट जर असेल तर 20 क्यूबचा क्यूब रूट किती असेल? 20. 20. Now there is a second example, that is 729. 729 can be divided by 3 or it can be divided by 9. I will just take a greater number. Therefore 9 multiply 9 8s are 72, 9 1s are 9. Will be equal to 9 into 81 means 9 into 9. It means that 729 is nothing but the 9 cube. Now I am taking a cube root of which number? 729 will be equal to cube root of 9 cube. It can be written as, directly you can write down as 9, or you can take it as 9 cube to the power 1 upon 3. You know that a to the power m to the power n is equal to a to the power m multiplied by n. Therefore, you can write down here 9 to the power 3 multiplied by 3. This is the answer. Therefore, you will get the value equal to how much? 9. Now there is a third example, that is 343. 343 cannot be divided by 2, 3, 4, 5, but it can be divided by 7. Therefore, 7 into 7 4s are 28, then what remains? 6, 7 9s are 63. Therefore 7 multiplied by 49 can be factorized as 7 into 7, 7 7s are 49. Now 343 can be expressed as 7 cube. Now you can take the cube root of 343, which is equal to cube root of which number? 7 cube. You can directly write the answer 7. But if you want to get more information, then you can write 7 cube. What is the value of this cube root? 1 upon 3. म्हणजे या cube root ची value किती असते? 1 upon 3. And you know that it can be expressed as 7 into 3 multiplied by 1 upon 3. 3 will get cancelled. Therefore, you can get the value equal to 7. Now, fourth example is minus 512. This can be factorized as, it is even number, therefore 2 into 2 2s are 4, 1, 2 5s are 10, then again it remains 1, 2 6s are 12, therefore 2 multiplied by, again it is even number, therefore 2 into 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 1, 2 8s are 16, 128. Again, this is an even number, therefore 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 6 are 12, 2 4 are 8. Therefore, it can be expressed as 2 into 2 into 2, and 64 is a cube of 4. Therefore, 4 into 4 into 4. 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. Now again you can write it like this. 4 2s are 8 multiplied by 4 2s are 8 multiplied by 4 2s are 8. Now 512 can be expressed as 8 cube. Now you have to find out the cube root of which number? That is minus 512. Therefore, cube root of which number? In place of 8, now you have to take a minus 8 cube. What will be its answer? That will be equal to minus 8. You can directly write it down. But if you want more information, then minus 8 cube to the power. What is the meaning of this cube root? 1 upon 3. Now I am directly writing 3. 3 will get cancelled. Therefore, you will get answer equal to minus 8. Now there is a fifth example. You have to find out the cube root of minus 2744. Therefore, I have considered 2744. Now look at here. This number is divided by 2 because it is even number. This number is divided by 4 because last two digits are divided by 4. Even 4s are 44. And again this number is divided by 8 also because its last three digits are also divided by 8. 8 9s are 72, 2. 8 3s are 24. Therefore, I am taking its first factor as 8 multiplied by. Now 8 3s are 24. How much remaining? 3. 34. It means that 8 4s are 32. 2 remaining. 8 3s are 24. Again 8 multiplied by 343 is a cube of which number? That is 7. Therefore, I am directly writing 7 into 7 into 7. 8 can be written as 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7. 7 2s are 40. Again 7 2s are 40. Again 7 2s are 40. It means that this number is nothing but the 14 cube. Now you have to find out the cube root of minus 2744. Therefore, I am taking cube root of minus 14 cube, and we know that directly it will be minus 14. Or you can just simplify it like this: minus 14 to the power 3 to the power 1 upon 3. Again minus 14 e to the power m to the power n can be written as 3 into 1 upon 3. 3 1s are 3. Therefore, what will be answer? Minus 14. It means you can directly write down this also. That is, cube root of minus 2744 will be equal to minus 14. Now again the next example is there. This is a big number, 32,768. Here also is the same case. It can be divided by 2. This 68 can be again divided by 4. Therefore, the whole number will be divided by 4. Again consider these three numbers, that this will be also divided by 8. Therefore, this whole number will be divided by 8. Therefore, I am considering which factor first? 8. 8 multiplied by 8 4s are 32. 7 cannot be divided by, therefore 8 0 0. Then 76. 8 9s are 72. Then 4 remain. 8 6 are 48. Then again 8 multiplied by. Again this number is divided by 8. 12 8 are 96. Therefore, this, you have to consider last three digits to find out whether the given number is divided by 8 or not. Then 8 multiplied. 8 times are 40. Then again 8 1s are 8. Remaining 16. 8 2s are 16. Then 8 multiplied by 8 multiplied by, again this number is also divided by 8. 8 multiplied by 8 6 are 48. 3 remaining. 8 4s are 32. Again 8 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 8. 64 is a cube of which number? 4. Therefore 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4. Therefore 8 fours are 32 multiplied by 8 fours are 32 multiplied by 8 fours are 32. Therefore this number is nothing but the 32 cube. Now you can take the cube root of this number. When you are taking the cube root of this number, then again is a cube root of 32 cube. You can directly write down the answer equal to 32, or you can just simplify 32 cube to the power 1 upon 3, and you know that a to the power m to the power n is a to the power m multiplied by n. These two numbers are multiplied, that is 32 to the power 3 into 1 upon 3. 3 will get cancel. You will get the answer equal to 32. You can write up to here only, but if you want more information, then you can proceed like this. Now, the second question is simplify. That is, you have to find the cube root of 27 upon 125. Now, you have to factorize this 27 into, it is cube of 3, 3 into 3 into 3, divided by 125 is 5 into 5 into 5, that is the 5 cube. Therefore, it can be written as 3 cube upon 5 cube. Therefore, I am taking cube root of 27 upon 125. Now, you can take the cube root like this. It is cube root of, which is 27 is 3 cube, divided by cube root of 5 cube. Which answer you will get? That is, here you will get the 3 and here you will get the 5. As we have saw in earlier example, that is the 3 cubes cube root will be equal to 3, 5 cubes cube root will be equal to 5. Now there is this second example, you have to simplify. Now factorize it, that is 2 into 8 will be equal to how much? 16. 2 into 27 will be equal to how much? 54. 2 ones are 2. Cancel this. 8 means 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, that is 2 cube. 27 means 3 cube. 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 will be equal to 2 cube upon 3 cube. Now you have to take the cube root of 16 upon 54. Therefore, I am taking cube root of this value, that is the cube root of 2 to the power 3 divided by cube root of this number 3 to the power 3, and we know that cube root of 2 to the power 3 will be equal to how much? 2 divided by value of this will be equal to 3. Therefore, your answer will be 2 upon 3. Third example is there. If cube root of 729 is equal to 9, then you have to find out the value of cube root of 0.000729. Now, here I have taken the cube root of 0.000729. Now, here you can write down, that is 7 to 9 divided by, in place of point there will be 1, in place of 0, 0, in place of 0, 0, 0, 0, in place of 7, 0, in place of 2, 0, in place of 9, 0. Now, cube root of 729 upon this will be equal to how much? 10 lakh. We have been given the value of cube root of 729. Therefore, I am writing as it is, and 10 lakh can be written as 100 into 100 into 100, that is 100 cube. Therefore, I am writing here 100 cube. Now, what is the cube root of 729? That is equal to 9, and cube root of 100 cube will be equal to, we know that it will be equal to 100. Therefore, now this value can be converted as point in place of 1, 0, 9, that is 0.09.